Good evening. Today we are going to discuss about the what consists of democracy. What is the core meaning of democracy? Let's start from the popular sovereignty. See, popular sovereignty is a part of democracy. So its definition is that authority of a government is created and sustained by the consent of the people, its people. So sovereignty, which talks about the real power lies with the people of the country. So the example is how we exercise popular sovereignty in our country through the universal adult franchise in India. And the next one is the rule of law. So what is the rule of law? So rule of law, that is rule should be according to the law. Laws should be equally applies to the all and including those in power. That means even though PM or CM, the law should be equally applicable. So the example is in Keswananda Bharati case, Supreme Court upheld the rule of law as a part of the basic structure. As we know that there is basic structure of the constitution, we cannot amend the elements of the constitution which are included in the basic structure. So the next element of the democracy is separation of power. So what is separation of power? See, in the separation of powers, the name itself is telling that powers are divided among three people, like here legislative, executive and the judiciary. Why? To prevent the concentration of power in a single organ of a government. So to prevent the authoritarianism. This ensures the checks and balances in a democracy. The example is that, see, in Supreme Court in Indira Gandhi versus Raj Narayan case, highlighted that judicial review is a part of the basic structure which can be used to check on the executive power. And the next element is the accountability. Accountability is kind of answerability to the authorities. Whether it can be answerable to the citizens or to the higher officials. So the example is that, let's say parliamentary, that means legislature makes the executive accountable using this question hour, various like parliamentary devices. We have various parliamentary devices, right? Question hour, zero hour we have, question hour we have. Through this parliamentary ensures the executive accountability in India. And the next elements is equality, to maintain the equality in a democracy. So all citizens should enjoy equal political, social and economic rights. There should be no rule from the government like only one community, particular community should have access to public services. No, this is not a democracy. So all the people should have access to the public services. Let's say that element we have included in the right to equality in the form of fundamental rights, like it prohibits discrimination based on caste, religion, gender, race, etc. So the next and the last element is the participation. What is participation? Participation of the citizens in the governance, we can say. In the governance, citizens, active engagement of citizens in decision making. See, this can be ensured through providing suggestions in the form of like you will give suggestions for the draft bills, right? or feedback to the government. So for that mechanism we have included 73rd and 74th constitutional amendment, which provides Panchayati Raj and municipalities. These guys empower the citizens to actively participate in the governance. We have mechanism for this. What is that called? It's a Grama Sabha, where people in the village who are greater than 18 years, and if they have vote, then they can be part of this Grama Sabha, where this Grama Sabha decides the course of the development of that village. So these are all the elements of the democracy. Thank you.